I was fortunate enough to start here at ground level when the company was just beginning, and so I've got to see it grow and be a part of that. And it's just that as the company has grown, Dave has shared his blessings with the employees, and so that made it, a good place to work. He's always looked after us.
He's a really interesting person to work for. He has a lot of energy for what he does. He really loves working. So he'll retire a lot, and he'll go to the coast, and he really can't retire for more than it feels like a couple days. He'll just be back here. He can't not work. And that's just kind of how I see the company run. It's all about the machinery. We don't spend a lot of money on marketing. We don't spend a lot of money on advertising or just making things look really nice. We're focused on the machine and making the machine as good as we can, and that's how he is. So.
Most people have been here for 15 or 20 years and we really haven't lost anybody, and nobody's leaving to go elsewhere because it's such a good place to work.